How to change language on WeChat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change language on WeChat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take here is open up your WeChat. Make sure that you're logged in into your account and also make sure that you have the updated version of WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, head over to the Me section on the bottom right corner. After you're there you will see settings. Tap on settings. And now after you're on your settings, there will be a few options. What you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your general settings. So tap on general. And after you tap on general, on the interface and display section, there you'll find language. Tap on it. And after you tap on language, there you will see different languages available. Now simply select the language that you want to change it to. Then tap on the done button on the top right. After you do that, your language will get changed on your WeChat, and that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.